How to join Udemy affiliate program. Hello, welcome to our channel, WebWiz, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to use or how to join Udemy affiliate program. So please watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. So if you guys are wondering, you can check out rightly the Udemy courses or website by clicking the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's go talking about what is Udemy. So when you go to the website of the Udemy, as you can see, Udemy is a online learning platform just like Coursera or McGraw-Hill, etc., etc. So they provide online learning courses. So whether it's a Python courses, Excel courses, and other educational courses for people to learn. So Udemy is one of the best online learning platform for branch like computer engineering, so especially when you are learning Excel or Python, this is the best online learning platform. So Udemy, of course, also use affiliated marketing. So if you don't know what is affiliated marketing, it is a type of a marketing strategy that being used by big companies. And what they do is that they hire people or they allow people with a certain popularity to promote their product so that their product or their own company will gain more market. So Udemy use this strategy to increase the people who use their online learning platform. So when you are working on a affiliated program or you are the person that promotes the company or a certain product, of course there will be a commission per sale. So being on a affiliated program is one of the best way to earn money, given that you already have your own popularity to make the company more popular or more famous, and that is one of the most important thing or criteria to join a affiliated program. So how can you join the Udemy affiliated program? So Udemy actually have their own article about that. So just scroll down on their website and there will be a affiliate buttons that you can click. Just click that and it will redirect you to this page where you can learn about their own affiliate program. So as you can see that you can earn commission by sharing relevant content and offers with your audience. Of course, you need an audience. You can choose from thousands of countries and exclusive promotion. And of course, you can promote the Udemy content and the tracking assets. So with that, you need also to understand your sales by trafficking or tracking performance through your network account. So as you can see on this one affiliate resources, you can click how to join. So if you click that, will be the requirements to join the Udemy affiliate program. So when applying to the part of affiliate program, keep in mind that we consider every affiliate application that comes through. So you need to satisfy all of these criteria. So as I said earlier, you need a list of followers. And of course, you need to know your traffic, consistent traffic. So what do you mean by traffic? So traffic is like the location of your social media or your website where you will need to where you will promote their product. So they need to know that. So also they need to know your content. So what did you do to impress your audience or fans, so that they know what contents from them that you will need to promote that people can relate or add on their interests. So me, I don't have all of these criterias, but if you think you got all of these criterias in your side, and I think you are ready to go. So what you just need to do is to read their terms and conditions so that you know what are the do and don'ts when joining this program. So I think if you have all of these criteria, you can just click this link right here. How can you apply on Udemy's different affiliated network? So if you don't know what is affiliated network is, it is a the medium between the promoter and the merchant or the company. So in short, this is where you will apply as a member of an affiliated program. So Udemy, as you can see in this article, have their one and only affiliated network. It's called Rakuten. So as you can see, Rakuten is one of the best merchant for joining affiliated programs. And as you can see right here, the links, this is the traffic. So this is where you will join in a different location. So if you want to join the affiliated program on Europe, Japan, United Kingdom, whatever suits you, you can do it. But let's not try to go to this link first. Let's just go to the Rakuten website. So just search rakutenadvertising.com and you will be redirected to this page. So as you can see, Rakuten Advertising is one of the global or number one global affiliate marketing or network in the world. So as you can see, they progress or they function for over 25 years, and they also have top tier partners for over 150K. So if you want to join as a promoter or a publisher, just click become a publisher right here on the top right corner, and you will be redirected to this page. So you just need to fill up all of this information. So as you can see, there will be a primary website info that you need to fill up. So this is where you will put the social media links that you have, and etc etc. You just need to provide the proper information to each of these fields, so in order to being verified as a publisher. So after that, after you put all of this important information, just agree on the terms and service and click next, and you will be presented by a security captcha, and you can just solve it. And after you solve this one, as you can see that you can now log in as a publisher. So let's just wait until it start or it's finished loading. So as you can see, I can now sign in. So you can just sign in with the account that you just created. And after that, you will need to verify first your account. So just go to your Gmail and click one of their emails, so you can just verify your email right here. And as you can see, you will be directly logged into the Rakuten Advertising or affiliate network. So as you can see, here is the interface of the Rakuten Advertising. So as you can see, you can see all of your investors, all of your commissions, all of your sales, and as you can see, all of your payment info, also trend commissions. You can see all of this. So as you can see on the left side, you will see a bunch of advertisers. So there's no Udemy right there, but you can search for it. But first, before you search it, you just need to complete your profile first. As you can see, my account is 0% viewed. So I advise that before you apply as affiliate marketer, just complete your profile first. So because as you can see, as the article said earlier, that they will review strictly all of their applications. So you just need to complete your profile first and provide all of the information, just like your social media, all about your content, etc etc, all of the criteria that they require in order for you to join their program. You need to put it in your profile. So after that, just click Udemy on the advertiser search, and as you can see, all of the traffic or location of the Udemy affiliated program. So for example, if you're on Brazil, I suggest that you apply on Udemy Brazil. So if you're in UK, I advise that you apply on Udemy UK. But I think in commons or in general, you can just join the Udemy itself, so the Udemy ITP USA. So if you want to apply, as you can see on the right side, there will be an apply button. So just click that. And as you can see, just need to read the terms and condition again. So as you can see, my account is not actually verified to use as an advertising because I don't put that much of information to my account, and my Rakuten advised that I need to provide more information to my account in order for it to be used as a advertising. But if you are, as I said, if you have all the criteria and you put it all in your account, you'll be okay. And after that, after you apply, there will be a pending button that will be placed on the apply button. And that means that your application is being reviewed by the Udemy itself. And after that, you just need to wait for like 1 to 7 days or 2 weeks before Udemy send a feedback whether you are accepted or not. So for example, you're already joined the affiliated programs. You can see all of the sales and commissions right here as you promote their product, and also your payment. There you will need to provide your payment info so that they know where to send your commission. And that's it. That's how you do to join the Udemy affiliated program, or that's how affiliated network progress. And that's it. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!